Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the keyboard size and transparency on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on general management. Now in here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings and then go down and tap on size and transparency. Next, tap on the handle. So drag on the handle to increase or decrease the size. So in here we can decrease the vertical height, or you can change the width of the keyboard. And then tap on done to finish. Now if you want to change the transparency of the keyboard, you need to set your keyboard mode into a floating keyboard. Once you're in floating keyboard, you can also change the transparency color as well. And here we can also change the size and the transparency of the keyboard. And then tap on done. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.